Ready?
Are you kidding me? Dude, it's moving the train.
It's moving the train.
It's going.
It's moving. The
Yep,
vehicle is
it's-
moving. Yes.
You've got to be kidding me right now.
That is impressive.
That's
She's doing
unreal.
it so easy.
I can feel the weight of the train behind
Yeah,
us.
listen to the motor.
What motor?
Everything, and we are at like 4.5 miles per hour finishing.
Great.
Just quietly pulling over 1,000,000 pounds.
We're almost at the finish line. I can see it.
Amazing.
Awesome. Okay, you can back off.
Told you we got this. So if you guys thought that was impressive, let's load the 42 trucks in and let's do it again.
No way.
That'll take us way over 1,000,000 pounds.
Good.
All right, let's get her done. Here it goes, guys. Come on, baby. Come on now, is it gonna work? It's doing it.
We're going.
It's doing it.
I can definitely feel the weight more with the 42 trucks in.
That is unbelievable.
Built more tough.
So now we're at 1.25 million pounds.
Yes.
Built Ford Tough is all about durability, capability, and productivity. And this all-electric F-150 extends Built Ford Tough to a whole new arena.
That's awesome, Linda. That's awesome. Yes.
We did it! This prototype will help us deliver the all-electric F-150 in the coming years.